Bob, I'm just gonna play this at its normal speed first, and then I'll make a couple of comments from what I'm seeing. So here it is. You can see the length of that spring. It's very fine. It's very gentle. It's very fine. There's not a heavy load on it, but just enough to push that tray back. There you go. And I'm gonna stop right here. If you see right here, that's that bushing you're probably talking about. There's one on each end. And I wouldn't doubt it would be probably a good idea to oil this. I might even oil mine as I'm speaking of it now. And there's that fine belt right there. So let me pause. Now I'm going to play it back at a slower speed so you can see the action once again. Yeah, very fine spring. Just fits over top of that. You can see mine stretched. And it glides. Just like my scanner, I've had my scanner open and had to do repairs to it, but it's pretty much the same principle.